Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix ElevenLabs project's login problems, workspace errors step by step clearly. If you are experiencing login problems with your ElevenLabs projects, follow these steps to resolve workspace errors. First, check your internet connection to ensure it's stable. If your connection is unstable, restart your modem or switch to a wired connection. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. To do this, go to your browser's settings and find the Privacy or History section. Select the option to clear browsing data, ensuring you include cache and cookie. After clearing your cache, restart your browser. Once your browser is restarted, navigate back to the ElevenLabs login page. Ensure you are using the correct login credentials. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Follow the prompts to receive a password reset email. If you continue to experience issues, try using a different browser. Sometimes, browser-specific issues can cause login problems. If possible, try accessing the ElevenLabs platform from a different device. Should these steps not resolve the issue, check ElevenLabs' official status page for any ongoing outages. If everything seems fine and you still can't log in, consider reaching out to ElevenLabs support. Provide them with as much detail as possible about your login issue. This will help them troubleshoot the problem more effectively. After submitting your issue, monitor your email for any updates from their support team. Following these steps should assist you in resolving any login problems with your ElevenLabs projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.